Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Wish when life ain't easy, remember this. Just close your eyes and make a wish.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming. This is my first YouTube video and I am so excited to start this YouTube whole thing. I know it's going to be stressing and time taking and everything, but I also know that it's going to be so freaking enjoyable. So I can't wait to start. Like, I am already in. I can't wait to continue this journey with you guys. If you like this video at the end of it, please give it a like and a comment and subscribe, because I am in need of subscribers a lot. So today we're going to do an easy, quick, and beautiful makeup. Especially if you're a beginner, this is your video. This is what you should watch to get like used to doing makeup and everything. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look and how you can do it yourself. It's okay, I know some of you know how to apply makeup to their faces, but for the people who don't know, please watch this video. And for the people who know, maybe you can learn something from me, or maybe you can see something that I did wrong and you can tell me to correct it in the comment section. All the negative and positive comments are allowed. So without further ado, let's get started. All the products that I'm going to be using are not sponsored, or I don't have like a partnership or anything, so everything is going to be optional. I'm going to first moisturize my face. So after applying my normal moisturizer to my face, I am going to use a makeup primer. If you don't have a primer, it's fine. Now we're going to my favorite step, applying a foundation. I'm going to put a concealer over. I'm going to do my eyebrows. So the things that we're going to need are a toothbrush or a mascara brush, whatever you want, and you can either use an eyeliner gel or just an eyeliner and an eye pencil, however you want. But for me, I'm going to use this small brush and this. So when you get to the front, you're gonna have to be careful. I use a brush to make it look kind of natural. And I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to take the dark concealer. I'm going to start from this one. If you can see well. Okay, this is it. It doesn't look exactly the same, but that's eyebrows. That's for super eyebrows. So yeah, okay, let me go to the contour. You're going to be surprised. I don't have like a contour kit and everything, so the people who don't have a contour, I've got a solution for you. We're going to use this chocolate eyeliner I'm going to makeup. Let's get to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to go with my small little palette. I can't afford like James Charles palette or Jeffree Star palette, so I just use this one. It's super cheap and everything, but you know, it gives me a good look. So I'm going to use this dark color. You have to choose. This is not optional. You gotta have to choose any dark color that you want, but we want something simple. So I'm going to take the lighter color here. It's like white pink here. I'm going to apply it on the front eye. No. Okay, I'm going to do this eye off camera. Now with my eyeliner. Going to bake. So I bake with my normal MAC powder, and I take this brush, this one. I love it because I use it for lots of things. And I'm going to like blend everything in. We are almost done. So what we're going to do is to apply a face spray, a makeup spray. So what I cover my eyes and I just put it like so far. Oh my god. Whew. I don't think it reached anywhere. Oh. I'm going to do something really simple. I'm going to use this eye pencil, and I use it as a lip liner, and this lighter color, this nude color, and a lip balm. These are the lips that you can take to work. And anywhere else. I have a hard time wearing fake eyelashes, so I'm going to apply them off camera because I don't want to mess this up. I'm sorry. And I do apply the lighter, the highlighter down the eyes. Oh my god. I think I should remove these lashes because okay. You know what, guys? I'm going to remove the lashes because the lashes are making me look creepy. I'm sorry. Ugh. I couldn't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for people who love lashes, but I couldn't. Again, I'm going to do on my forehead, and here, on my nose, and here. And I'm going to take my finger, which is dirty because of the makeup. I'm going to take from I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose, and here. I'm going to blend it with my finger. And I'm going to add some lighter here on the eye. And ended up removing my lashes. I'm going to add mascara because I don't like, I want my lashes to be visible. I'm going to add some, you know, a spray or a set, how do I call it? But I had my eyes. Oh my god. So this is how you do your makeup. And this is classy. You can like take it to a ceremony and everything. Ooh. Oh, this is how you do your makeup. I think it's something that you can do and on budget. I didn't like use these expensive things. I did use some cheap things. And thanks for the people who subscribe to my channel even before I even post a thing. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have you guys in my heart, and this is like a big deal, even though you think it's not. I'll be posting each and every Tuesday of every week. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and like this video and comment down below to tell me what you thought of this video. And in this description I'll be showing you guys what I use so that you can go and buy it. I'm not like going to put the names or the brands of the products. If you're a starter, I wish you good luck. I wish you could get better and better, because in makeup we learn every day. It's never over. We learn each and every day. So guys, see you next Tuesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Give me something like, she wants something like, she said give me